Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change fingerprint animation style on Redmi Note 15 Pro smartphone. First, let's open Settings application on the smartphone. Then let's go to Personalization menu. Here, let's navigate down to Fingerprint Effect. And then select one of the available fingerprint animations that we have right here. We have Minimalist, we have Neon. First of all, make sure that the fingerprint animation is enabled. To do that, just switch the toggle to the right and then select the animation that you want to use. Some of them will require a download. I really like this butterfly effect. Let's enable it and then let's check what it looks like. Oh, except for I don't have fingerprint set up on this device, so just give me a second. And now let's see what it looks like. And you could have just seen it, so let me just show you once again. So yeah, that's how you apply fingerprint effects on your Redmi Note. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.